Today we have this PiBOX NV enclosure. So it's an Indian brand. So let's open it. So first we have this mobile stand. I think they are giving it for free for promotion purpose. It's very light actually, and feels fragile a little bit, but it does its job very nicely. Not that bad. So we have this thermal pad, and this is the NVMe enclosure. It's purely made of aluminum, and it's feel very solid. You can feel it when you touch with your hand. And we have this cable, connecting cables. I think this one is USB-A to Type C cable. Yeah, so this speed with this cable is moderate, so better use Type C to C cable. They have also included this Type C to C cable, you can see. So always use, speed will be maximum with this one, always. And the length of these two cables are similar, almost same. And we have also this screw, so this will be helpful to fix that NVMe inside that enclosure. So we ordered this Micron NVMe from Amazon. It cost me around 3000, so its capacity is 500 gigabyte. So let's open it. I saw some good reviews, so that's why I ordered it. Let's hope it will be good. It feels very light actually. I thought it will be a bit heavier. uh, so this is the NVMe 2280 form factor, and let's fix it. So you need to open that, just press it downward and then pull forward, so that external internal circuit will come out, and we need to fix that inside that. So you just need to find the notch and install it. I've installed the thermal pad later. I just wanted to check how the speed will be. So we need to fix the screw on the other end, like this. Just fix it and press it little bit, it will be fixed. Yeah, so I changed thermal pad later and just simply put it back. You need to find that black spot that will guide you in which direction you have to put it. So yeah, just so it will be fixed. Now it feels like a single equipment, not. So to check the speed of the SSD, I'm using this Mac system first. Let me tell you, I already formatted the SSD with extract for file type. So it will be used, can be used both Mac and Windows. So I have this video file. The size is, I think, 3.74 gigabyte. Yeah, so it is pretty big file. So I'll try to transfer it from my desktop to that SSD, and I'll check how fast it can be transferred. So let me open the clock and stopwatch. I'll keep a track how fast it is transferred. So let's reset it, and now I'm trying to place the video file inside the SSD. Okay, yeah. So now I put the video in the SSD and started the stopwatch. The speed is very high already. I think 90% transferred. Okay, so in 4.98 second, I'll take it as 5 second. So in 5 second we got 3.7474 gigabyte file transferred, so that is almost 740 MB per second. That's huge speed. Let's check with the Windows system, and I'll compare with it with Mac. uh, I think Mac will be better, but let's check. So this is a Windows laptop, i5 11 generation. I have taken the same file to check the transfer speed, and so it is already in the SSD. So let me show you the file size here. Let's go to properties. Yeah, so here you can see the file size is 3.48. Yeah, here it is showing less compared to the compared to what we saw in Mac OS system. So let's remove it from here. So I already put it in desktop, and from desktop I'll transfer it to SSD. So it is completely empty now. Let me paste it and notice the time. And initial speed, it's starting from 3 to 4, 300, 400, and going maximum to 550, around 550. Yeah, so it transferred. It took around 8 to 8.5 seconds. So definitely not as fast as Mac system, but it is still very fast uh, with this Windows laptop. So that's all. To my opinion, it's a great product, value for money product. Consider its build quality. So it's purely aluminum built, and it feels like a single device after assembling. So, and the speed is quite impressive. I really like the speed, especially with this Mac system.